Dear aspirants, I'm happy to share some suggestions with you, which is born out of our experience of UPSC and mock interviews. First of all, I find that it is very important to be concise and precise. For each candidate, the UPSC may not have more than half an hour. So, and there are 5 panelists, which means that they may not have more than 4 to 5 minutes each in judging you and asking you questions. Now, so how do you get to be concise and precise? It doesn't come automatically. Maybe some people have it in them, but some people need to practice. Now, for practicing, you need to structure your answers. For most people, we write better than we speak. We can collect our thoughts better when we write. So, when we are writing, you can take a sheet of paper each for the important topics. And now, by now, if you've done a few mocks with different panels, you may have a question bank. So, what are the current topics of the day? What are the topics related to your DAF? Pick them up and make a sheet each with bullet points on everything, and then practice speaking. Record on your mobile phone. With time and with some practice, you will be able to find a noticeable improvement in the way you deliver. Now, what are the topics? It's in a very fast changing world and so many geopolitical events and so many things happening within our own country. There's no dearth of topics to choose from. So for current affairs, I think it is important to read smart and not everything. There are around 15-20 topics which you can zero in on. Especially important are all the words of your DAF, because your DAF contains all the keywords that you need in order to prepare. And since this is also the period of the budget, the union budget, there are various topics related to the budget that can be asked. 26 January, such like important events are there in January and February. As also some international events, are happening that have been organized. So take a look at them, start preparing your answers. When you are in the interview room, there's only this much you can prepare. There'll still be newer things happening. So you remain unfazed if you don't know anything. Very frankly, you can say, I don't know, and it will not be taken as a negative against you. Not everybody is supposed to know everything. So you remain unfazed, and please avoid arguing with any of the panelists. You are the one, who has to avoid and stay pleasant no matter what. Do not get provoked by anything anybody says. Even if you find it offensive, please don't get provoked. It does not help to get provoked. And most of all, take it as a positive experience of your life. So that will help you enjoy the process. That will help you develop a positive mindset. With a positive mindset, you will be able to establish a connection with the board members, which will go a long way in getting you good marks. Okay? Wishing you all the best. God bless you. Best of luck.